All right, in this video, we're going to go over, do carbs make you fat? So the question of whether carbs make you fat is one that's created much debate in nutrition circles or just in general in life. The heart of the matter is essential to unpack the role of carbohydrates in our diet and how they can impact weight gain or loss. So to very simply understand carbs, it's one of the three macronutrients alongside fats and protein and serves as our body's preferred source of energy. For more info on this, see the video before this on what is a carbohydrate. Now, the myth, carbs equals weight gain. The belief that carbs inherently cause weight gain oversimplifies the complex mechanics of our metabolism and how the body processes different foods. It's not carbs themselves that cause weight gain. Rather, it's excessive calorie consumption that we come from overeating carb-rich foods, particularly those high in added sugars, refined grains, as well as trans fats. Reality is balance and quality matter. So the quality of carbohydrates, whole, unprocessed carbohydrate sources like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They contribute to feeling of fullness, help regulate blood sugar levels, and support a healthy digestive system. In contrast, refined and processed carbs are stripped of those benefits and can lead to overeating and weight gain. So like if you're eating a bag of potato chips versus eating literally air-fried potatoes, you're going to be able to eat so many more potatoes and because it's less calories, no trans fat, less additives, etc. Okay, and number two, energy balance. So weight management fundamentally comes down to energy balance, the equation of calories in versus calories out. Drink water. Okay, consuming more calories than the body expends leads to weight gain, regardless of those coming from carbs, fats, proteins, etc. Number three, carbs and metabolism. Carbohydrates do influence insulin levels. There's a thing called the glycemic index, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Now, however, the claims that this inherently directly leads to weight gain oversimplifies the metabolic process. In a balanced diet where carbs intakes is matched with physical activity, this isn't a concern for most people. So, carb consumption for weight management. Choose complex carbohydrates. Focus on whole, fiber-rich carbs that provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer, aka satiation. Monitor your fucking portions. So, like, especially for those like pasta or bread and rice, weigh it with a scale. And balance your plate. Ensure your meals are well-rounded with a good mix of carbs, proteins, and fats to support your overall health and weight management. Conclusion, carbs themselves don't make you fat. Rather, you make yourself fat because it's an imbalance of caloric intake and expending along with the quality of carbs you consume that can lead to weight gain. By choosing high-quality, nutrition-dense carbs and maintaining an active lifestyle, or just moving more in general, carbs will be an essential part of you being more healthy and part of your diet and help not contribute to weight gain. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know any questions.